Hey, what's up guys? So as soon as I uploaded Oppo F17 Pro speed test, subscribers started asking me for F17 Pro PUBG test. So for you guys, here it is. In this video, we will test out how F17 Pro performs in PUBG, if it heats up and how much battery does it consume. F17 Pro is available for Rs 23,000 and that's a whole lot of money for what it offers. So without wasting much time, let's start the game by skipping the game intro and all. You can play PUBG on normal HD mode with high FPS. If you want Ultra FPS, then you can go to Smooth mode and then select Ultra FPS. Oppo F17 Pro is powered by MediaTek Helio P95 chipset with an octa-core processor and PowerVR GM9446 GPU. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. Helio P95 is a really basic processor for gaming. It's not as powerful as Snapdragon 855 Plus or 765G, which is available in its competitors like Realme X3 or OnePlus Nord, which are available at the same price point. The game runs smoothly. You can see there is no lag most of the time. The graphics look good. There is no stuttering or graphic loading issue of objects that are far away. But sometimes I faced some frame drops, but that was not a big issue. And the 180Hz touch sampling rate enhances the gaming experience a bit. If you haven't seen my Oppo F17 Pro full in-depth review with camera test, you can watch it by clicking on the card on the top right corner. I'm not a pro player of PUBG, so bear with me if I do any mistake. So let's play, and at the end I'll give my final verdict. So we played PUBG for almost 20 minutes and the phone didn't heat up even a bit. As you can see on the Antutu monitor that the device temperature is 35.7 degrees, which is quite normal, and the battery has dropped only 3% in last 20 minutes. Except for a few drops, I didn't feel any major stuttering or graphic loading issue. The game ran smoothly most of the time, but overall I expected something better as its competitors like Poco X2 or OnePlus Nord can run PUBG slightly better. And if you want a better gaming phone, I would suggest you to buy Realme X3, which is available at the same price point as it has a much powerful Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, or the newly launched OnePlus Nord, which has a Snapdragon 765G 5G processor. So that was all about PUBG test on Oppo F17 Pro. Comment below what do you guys think of Oppo F17 Pro and its performance in PUBG. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.